Hello everyone, this video introduces the Import Database function of the LiDAR360MLS plugin in AutoCAD software. This function allows importing all feature class layers and table views from GPKG, KML, SHP, JSON, and GHSON format databases into CAD software. However, it only supports importing table views from GPKG format. Clicking the Import Database button will open the Import Database dialog box. Here, you can select the import data format, browse to the location of the data, and add the corresponding format of the data. By checking the Append option, feature classes with the same name can be appended to the feature class with the same geometric type. If the Append option is not checked, when feature classes with the same name and the same geometric type appear, the imported layer will replace the existing feature class of the same name and type in the drawing window. Once the parameters are set, click OK to proceed. After a successful import, the imported graphic data will be visible in the CAD model window. The detailed layer information can be queried through the layer management in the CAD software. Note, the system defines fields to identify the characteristic attributes of CAD entities. When the imported data includes these attribute fields and the attribute content meets the requirements, the color, line width, font, size, tilt, boldness, and rotation of the imported data will be restored and displayed in CAD software. If the imported data does not contain these fields, or if they are filled in incorrectly, the default attributes will be displayed after import. That concludes the introduction to the Import Database function. Thank you for watching.